and in this video I'm going to show you how to hide all of your Facebook photos at once. It's pretty quick and easy. It's just one tap of a button to hide all of your timeline photos and posts and everything. So let's jump right in. First, you can tap the three lines at the bottom right here. And then you'll want to scroll all the way down. I've already scrolled down. You'll want to tap on Settings and Privacy here. And then tap on Settings. And then we'll want to scroll down to under Privacy. You can see Profile and Tagging is the third option there. We'll just tap on that. And then under Tagging, you can see who can see posts you're tagged in on your profile. You just tap on that, and it'll give you an option that says everyone, friends of friends, friends accept, and then I'll just tap on more, and I can just tap on the only me icon there. And that means any posts on my timeline, including photos and everything, all those photos that I've been tagged in or have posted myself, only I will be able to see those. So now they're hidden from everyone else. You can say, okay, I want only specific friends, and then choose friends that you want to be able to see those. Or you can say all of my friends except certain people. So this gives you a really good option to be able to limit who can see any of these photos that are posted of you on Facebook. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks.